If you build HRM or ERP solutions, you know the struggle. The software works, but the real headache is getting accurate attendance data. Mismatched hardware and manual data entry are causing data loss, making accurate payroll almost impossible. Your clients buy devices from different vendors, creating a mess of disconnected data. Without proper integration, payroll becomes a nightmare, security's at risk, and your product just can't go live. Stop the manual madness. Meet Tipsoi, the solution that brings you speed and stability. We are the unified integration layer that guarantees secure, real-time data for 100% accurate payroll. Multi-vendor nightmare? Solved. Tipsoi is device agnostic, meaning we integrate seamlessly with top global biometric brands. Whether it's one branch or 100, we turn disconnected hardware into one smooth ecosystem. Built for flexibility, we give you full API and SDK control. We automate the hard work by fetching data from multiple locations instantly, so you can focus on your software, not on hardware headaches. Want to win big deals? We support private server deployment, ensuring total data sovereignty. Secure your clients' sensitive data and give them the confidence to go live immediately. Our SaaS model is built for your profit. With our white label opportunities, you can use our technology under your brand and scale globally with your own identity. Stop selling fragmented tools. Start delivering complete enterprise control. Join Tipsoi and secure your spot in the future of workforce management. Let's build a global presence together.